Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the essentials: your Matlab release, available toolboxes, and license status so installation succeeds. Open Matlab and check Ver or the add-on Explorer to see if Communication Toolbox appears. Once you confirm version compatibility, sign in to Math works with an account that matches your license. Make sure to choose the correct Matlab installation folder when prompted. This prevents mixed releases. Then proceed to the Add-on Explorer to install the toolbox. This is the first actionable step to get files into your Matlab environment. Once you start the add-on install, follow prompts to download and deploy the toolbox into your Matlab release. This step handles files and dependencies. After installation, restart Matlab so paths refresh and use Ver to confirm the toolbox appears. Then set up the C/C++ MEX compiler with MEX setup if you plan to build MEX files for performance. If you need supporting hardware or support packages, install them now. These configurations ensure demos, examples, and required binaries run without mysterious errors. Finish by validating functionality. Open and run example apps or functions like constellation diagram to exercise key features and confirm behavior. If something fails, make sure there are no path conflicts by running restore default path and rehash toolbox cache, then re-add custom paths. Also verify disk space and permissions. Rerunning the installer as administrator often fixes file write issues. If errors persist, inspect the installer log for specific messages, then contact MathWorks support with logs and system details for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.